Hi, this is Samir from InvestExcel.net, and this is the Mortgage Payment Calculator. This is a free spreadsheet that you can download from InvestExcel.net. Let's spend a few minutes looking at all of the options. Well, just like standard mortgage payment calculators you can find on the internet, you can specify your loan amount, the mortgage rate, the amortization period, and the term. You can also specify your payment frequency. So this contains all standard payment frequency options, so annual, semi-annual, quarterly, bi-monthly, monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly and weekly. This spreadsheet also offers you accelerated bi-weekly and accelerated weekly payment schemes. Now these options aren't often offered on other mortgage payment calculators. You can also specify the compounding period for the interest. Now, this is an option that you don't often get on other mortgage payment calculators. This is pretty important and it allows you to fine-tune your mortgage payments depending on whether you're in the US, Canada, the UK or elsewhere. Many jurisdictions have different compounding periods for your mortgage interest. So for example, if you're in the US, mortgage interest compounds monthly, that's 12 times a year. However, if you're in Canada, the mortgage payment interest compounds semi-annually, that's twice a year. If you're in the UK, however, mortgage interest payments compound annually, that's once a year. So these options aren't often available in other mortgage payment calculators. So you can also specify a first payment date as well. Based upon the first payment date and the payment frequency, this spreadsheet will also generate a payment schedule. Now, these are the results you get. First of all, the spreadsheet gives you the interest rate per payment and the payment amount. You also get the date at the end of term, the total interest paid, the total principal paid, and the balance still owing at the end of term. Now, assuming that the mortgage rate applies across the whole amortization period, you also get the total interest paid and the total principal paid at the end of amortization, as well as the total number of payments. And this chart is automatically generated. It gives you your mortgage balance from your first payment date all the way through to the end of the amortization period. So on this tab, on this sheet, the payment schedule sheet, you get your payment schedule. So you have the payment number, the date of each payment, the amount, the interest, and the principal in each payment, as well as the balance. Now this is all automatically generated by some VBA which works cleverly behind the scenes to give you all of this data. What's interesting is that the fraction of the mortgage payment paid to the interest decreases as a function of time. So you can see at the start of this mortgage payment scheme, assuming I have a monthly payment of around $584, for the parameters I've specified, I'm paying $204 in each payment to interest and $380 in each payment to the principal. As time marches on, you can see that I pay less and less interest and more to the principal in each payment. Now, as I said, this payment schedule is automatically generated. So for example, if I change the payment period to, let's say, monthly, and I click on Calculate Mortgage, these figures update and the payment schedule updates as well. Now this payment schedule isn't something that you find on other mortgage payment calculators, especially those that you find on the internet. Now, as I said earlier, this spreadsheet, this Excel spreadsheet, is available free of charge on investexcel.net. I do encourage you to visit the site and get this free Excel spreadsheet. If you do have any questions about this tool, then feel free to leave a comment at investexcel.net. I look forward to hearing from you and thank you for listening.